Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz S580. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, the hood looks excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door are in perfect condition. I'm not seeing any scratches on them at all or no dents. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, not seeing any dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move along to the back of the car. Okay, the trunk is in excellent condition. Also, the back bumper looks perfect as well. I'm not seeing any scratches back here at all. Now let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door look excellent. I do not see any scratches or dents at all. And now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender looks perfect. No scratches on here, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. First, we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I do not see any wear and tear at all. All of the switches are in excellent condition. Let's move on to the back seat. Okay, the back seat is perfect as well. So the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, that seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all.
Can you say that again, please?
Now we're going to move on to the back seat. Back here is perfect as well. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. Also, now we're going to have a look at the radio. This car has navigation and backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel looks very good. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.